everybody, it's Sergeant Pope here, and I'm not in my car. I'm in my boat. I'm trying to face the opposite direction of the wind, so so you guys can't hear the wind as bad. But this is my boat. You just got the wind right there, probably, so you probably didn't hear anything. A couple of cicadas here, not too bad. Yeah, my boat. Yeah, and this wind is really blowing me in. Yeah, see, there's the open lake. Okay, guys, hey, it's gonna be really windy, but here's the open lake I'm putting you guys to. If you guys didn't hear that before. Yeah, this is just kind of a random video I wanted to make. I might go find a cove that isn't windy as shit, but this is kind of blowing me in, so I might start up my engine and turn back real quick. Here's my engine. Yeah, Mercury, 40 horse. Yeah. It's probably really loud, everybody. I don't know. I have no idea if you guys can hear anything. It's really windy and it's really loud. Okay, I'm trying to put the camera behind the steering wheel now, because, yeah, I really don't want you guys to just hear, you know. Alright, this is kind of a random video, everybody, but, yeah, here's my boat. I might show the big boat later. I might not. Who knows? This wind is blowing me. Like usual, this fucking wind is blowing me everywhere. So I might get on the big water and show you guys some video of me driving around. I don't know. I'm gonna try to find a cove that's on the other side of the lake, so it's not windy as shit. So I might be back in a second. I might not. Who knows? See you guys. Okay, I drove to a different part of the lake now. It's the wind is coming from over that, our streets are blocking it, I think, so, not nearly as windy here, which is really nice. It's really pretty choppy out here. Can you guys see the bridge? My flip might not pick that up, but, the bridge is back there, and it's a lot choppy over there. A lot more boats over there. So I might turn my engine on and drive a little bit with you guys, since it's not as oh, there's a little bit of wind, but it's not nearly as windy here. And try to get this out of the wind. So yeah, here's my boat. Here's my radio, fuel, RPM, fish finder, and depth finder, bilge, lights, yeah, horn, throttle, bunch of cool shit. Gas tanks up there. Sweet. I need to fill up oil, I think. But yeah. So I wanted to show you guys some stuff with my boat. This boat goes pretty fast, just so you guys know. It goes up to like 60 if I really trim it out, and it's pretty fast for a boat. That seems pretty slow for a car for top speed, but that's pretty damn good for a boat. So yep, and just a little experience I had. After I filled up on gas, these one girls were waving at me. They're going like, "Oh, hey, I think they might have been a little bit drunk, but either that or they were just really friendly, which could be true. Wind is coming here. Cigarette boat out there, which is pretty far out there, so I don't know if you guys saw that. So yeah, I think I might start up my engine and show you guys what my boat can do. Yeah. Alright guys, this is gonna be like windy as shit. Just saying. Windy. Okay. Okay, I might have edited some parts out of there, but yeah, that's my boat driving. Yeah, that was probably loud as shit. The wind was especially loud. My engine gets really loud at full throttle too. So, cigarette boat over there. That's the railroad bridge. And yeah, I'm in really shallow water. There's some trees over there, but it doesn't really matter. My Foch draft is pretty small, which people probably don't know what draft is. It's like how far the boat goes down into the water. So yeah. So here's my boat. I might take some more videos. Who knows? But if you guys like this, be sure to like, comment, and then subscribe. And if you guys want to see more of this shit, just like and comment. So yeah, thanks everybody. See y'all later.